Welcome to Codepannu. Let us see about logical OR operator. Let us see an example of logical OR operator in the real world. Sometimes we use the word OR with our conditions. For example, if we want to buy a school bag and if the shopkeeper asks us which color bags we want to look at, we can say we want yellow or black. We're not looking for a bag with black and yellow. We are looking for yellow or black. So when we want any one of the conditions to be true, we use OR. So when there are two color bags available, we would write bag color 1 is equal to yellow within quotes. Strings should always be written inside quotes. Press enter, bag color 2 is equal to red within quotes. We would buy if the bag is either yellow or black. To check the condition for at least one bag color to be true, let us use logical OR operator and write print, open bracket, close bracket, bag color 1 equal to yellow within quotes or bag color 2 is equal to black within quotes. Save the file and run the code. The output is true because yellow color is available. To know more about logical operators, follow or subscribe to Codepannu.